What is the best Bluetooth transmitter for car 2023? Here are my full reviews of the best Bluetooth transmitter for car 2023. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 1. Nulaxy Wireless Car Bluetooth Transmitter. When it comes to Bluetooth transmitters for cars, Nulaxy is one of the top tier brands that provides its customers with a wide range of features in its products. We have put this Bluetooth transmitter from Nulaxy in first position in this list as it is a high value for money product. The special feature about this transmitter is that it comes with a 1.44 inches display that shows you all the information related to incoming calls, FM channel, battery voltage, music, etc. That said, you can easily adjust the volume and FM channels using the buttons given at the front. Speaking of Bluetooth, it is equipped with the latest Bluetooth 5.0 that works magnificently and offers good connection stability. You will love to know that it also features noise cancellation technology that dampens the road noise and provides you a crystal clear, hands-free calling experience. Apart from that, it also supports Siri/Google Assistant, so you can even control it via voice commands to attend calls, send text, etc. Apart from that, it's compatible with all sorts of smartphone devices, tablets, etc. For additional connectivity, it supports a TF card, AUX input as well. In addition, there's a 5V/2.1 charging USB charging port also available on this Bluetooth transmitter. Key features. Comes with a 1-year-long warranty. Features Bluetooth 5.0. Has a 1.44 inches display. Supports Google Assistant/Siri. Offer hands-free calling. Supports noise cancellation technology. Compatible with all smartphones, tablets, etc. Has TF card slot and AUX input. Comes with a 5V/2.1 USB charging port. Pros. Has the latest Bluetooth technology. Wide compatibility. Crystal clear call quality. Number 2. LIHAN Bluetooth Transmitter. If you like compact devices, this Bluetooth transmitter from LIHAN will impress you with its design as well as pricing. We have decided to put this one in second position in this listicle because it has one of the simplest designs and offers plenty of useful features. The first thing you will notice is that it has 2 USB ports at the front. One supports 3.1 quick charging, while the other one offers 1 charging, and also allows you to play music via a USB drive. Moreover, it also has a small LED display at the front that shows details about FM. Apart from that, it also has the control buttons and an inbuilt microphone as well. Moreover, with the press of a single button, you can easily pick or reject calls on the go. That said, you can enjoy a completely hands-free calling experience if this Bluetooth transmitter is installed in your car. If you are concerned about Bluetooth, it has the latest Bluetooth v5.0, which is great. This Bluetooth transmitter is widely compatible with all Android and iOS devices and any other device that supports Bluetooth. For music playing, you can also use a USB drive and TF cards as well. LIHAN also offers a 12-monthly long warranty for this Bluetooth transmitter. Key features. Comes with a 3.1 and 1 charging port. Has the latest Bluetooth 5.0 technology. Compatible with all Android and iOS devices. Supports USB drive and TF card for music playback. Covered under 12 months long warranty period. Offers hands-free calling experience. Pros. Supports quick charging. Very compact and handy. Shows battery voltage also. Number 3. Sumind Car Bluetooth Transmitter. For the readers who are looking for feature-rich premium Bluetooth transmitter for their car, this option from Sumind will surely impress you. It's in third position in this list because of its beautiful design as it comes with a wide 1.7 inches display at the front along with playback control buttons and a volume knob. It is equipped with Bluetooth v4.2, which is decent enough to use in a car. The best part is that you can connect this device with any of your smart devices as it has broad compatibility. Moreover, you can also use a TF card, USB drive, AUX input/output to listen to your favorite jam. Thanks to the CVC technology, it suppresses the wind and road noise to provide you a clear and hands-free calling experience. If you hold the next on key for 5 seconds, you can easily turn on/off the FM function on this Bluetooth device. Moreover, it also supports Siri/Google Assistant as well. Coming over to the charging unit, you will get 2 separate USB ports on this Bluetooth transmitter. While one of the USB ports supports 2.0 charging and USB reading for music playback, The other USB port supports QC 3.0 for fast charging your USB-powered devices like mobile phones, power banks, etc. Key features. Features Bluetooth v4.2. Comes with a 2.0 and 3.0 QC port. Supports Siri/Google Assistant. CVC technology for better call quality. Offer hands-free calling. Comes with a 1.7 inches display. Has TF card, USB drive, AUX input. Pros. Build quality is premium. Easy to operate. Board compatibility. Number 4. Nulaxy Car Bluetooth Transmitter. If you like the previous offering from Nulaxy, but want to pick a more premium model, you can check out the KM30 as it's the best offering from Nulaxy. This Bluetooth transmitter has quite a premium design and is also loaded with a lot of cool features. The main attraction of this Bluetooth transmitter is its 1.8 inches color LED screen that shows you all the important information. Apart from wireless music playback and FM radio, this transmitter also provides you the best quality hands-free calling experience, thanks to its strong microphone that picks up your voice very clearly and amplifies it to make it even better. With a click of a button, you can select bass and treble modes according to your mood and listen to your favorite music. All the buttons and the volume knob at the front are of extremely premium quality and allow you to control this device very conveniently. On the sides, you get 2 additional USB ports. One of them supports USB drive input for music playback, while the other one offers you QC 3.0 fast charging support. In addition, it also has an AUX connector and a TF card slot that supports cards up to 64 GB capacity. If you are concerned about Bluetooth technology, don't worry, as it is equipped with the latest v5.0, which is the best available out there right now. Key features. Has a 1.8 inches color LED screen. Offer hands-free calling. Inbuilt strong reception microphone. Comes with bass and treble modes. Has AUX out and TF card slot. 2 USB ports. Supports QC 3.0. Equipped with Bluetooth v5.0. Pros. Very premium. Call quality is very impressive. Easy connectivity with Bluetooth 5.0. Number 5. LIHAN Car Bluetooth Transmitter. We have already discussed a decent Bluetooth transmitter from LIHAN, so here's another one if the previous one didn't impress you well. There's one thing common in all Bluetooth transmitters from LIHAN, that is high build quality and compact design. Speaking about this one, you get ambient lights at the front that have 7 different color modes. Moreover, it also has a small LED display to show FM channels and battery voltage. All the music playback controls, call controls are given at the front as well. Moreover, you get a USB slot at the front for plugging in USB drives for playing music. There's a separate QC 3.0 USB charging port and a USB Type-C PD port as well. Speaking of the call quality, it has a highly sensitive inbuilt microphone that picks up your voice nicely and removes the background noises with the help of CVC noise cancellation technology. Thanks to the Bluetooth v5.0, connectivity stays strong and stable during calls, and also the quality remains always premium whenever you use the hands-free calling feature. Although it does not support AUX input/output, you can use a USB drive or a TF card to play your favorite music. Key features. Comes with ambient light with 7 color modes. Has Bluetooth v5.0. Offers hands-free calling. Comes with CVC noise cancellation technology. Also has a USB drive and TF card audio input. Comes with QC 3.0 USB charging port and a USB Type-C PD port. Pros. Affordable pricing. Has both PD 3.0 and QC 3.0 ports for charging. Build quality is very good.